Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Evony account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Evony game on your device, and if you're playing the game for the first time, you will be taken through the basic tutorial. After completing the basic tutorial levels, you will be able to tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner from which you can access your settings. Tap on the settings gear icon and you will be taken into the settings menu. Now from the settings menu, in order to link your account, tap on the account option and you will be taken into the account page. Just tap on the link account option as well. And now you can see the various options that you can use to link your account. You can tap on link Google Play as well as link Facebook option to link your Google or Facebook account onto your game. If you tap on either one of these options, you will just be asked to choose your Google or your Facebook account based on what you select. Just tap on your Facebook or your Google account, and once you allow access into the game, your account will be linked within the game, and all of your progress that you make within will be saved within this account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your account on the Evony game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.